Hey there, Akshat Gupta here. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce something that will completely revolutionize the coloring book and kids activity space. If you've ever wanted to launch your own coloring book platform with books, interactive flipbooks, worksheets, and activity packs, but felt stuck because of tech, time, or design blocks, then listen closely. Because what I'm about to show you lets you create fully done-for-you coloring books and activity content using AI in just a few clicks, with no experience, no team, and no ongoing costs. Introducing ColorBooks AI. Image to coloring page magic. Text to coloring page AI. One-click coloring book generator. Book to flip book converter. TFY coloring books library. All in one dashboard. Full PLR license included, cloud-based and easy to use, commercial and PLR rights included, no monthly fees, beginner-friendly plus pro results, 100% refund assurance. And the best part? All of this happens from one simple dashboard, accessible from any device, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're a parent, teacher, content creator, or entrepreneur, ColorBooks AI gives you everything you need to build your own coloring book empire, create interactive flipbooks and activity packs, offer personalized content for kids, teens, and adults, sell on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or your own site. Do it all with zero design, illustration, or tech skills. Sell your coloring books and activities on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, printables and ebooks, eBay, flipbooks and activity packs, Fiverr, Upwork, offer coloring book services, social media, reels, shorts and digital downloads, and many more. How does it work? Just 3 easy steps. Log in to ColorBooks AI. Choose what you want to create, coloring pages, books, flipbooks, activity packs. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. And yes, you're getting amazing bonuses too. Kid Games Creator app. Riddles, puzzles, mazes, ciphers. Ebook Maker app with 1 million plus ebooks and articles. 400 plus kids bedtime stories. Audiobooks Maker AI. Free drive hosting for your creations. Warning: this changes everything for anyone in the coloring, kids activity, or educational niche. You don't need to hire illustrators, designers, or editors. It's all done for you by AI. For a limited time, get lifetime access at a special one-time price before it switches to monthly. Backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. This is your chance to dominate the coloring book and kids activity niche with just a few clicks. Click the button below to activate ColorBooks AI now and start building your coloring book empire today. See you inside.